Hello, this is Dino with Raquel Custom Sinks. I would like to talk to you about what makes a great workstation sink and what makes a poorly designed workstation sink. And boy, when I look at images out there, I find it appalling. For example, if the ledge or step, I guess they're mostly steps, is sitting low inside the bowl, and you've got an undermount sink, guess what's going to happen? When you go to cut, your wrist is going to be hitting the countertop, which forces you to cut further away from yourself, which is hard on your back. I have studied for years to come up with the absolute ideal location and height for the ledges and steps inside our sinks to be ergonomically comfortable. The second thing to look for is the corner welds. We put high resolution images of our corner welds on our website, and they actually attracted NASA. They gave me a call quite some time ago and asked if they could send a couple welders over because they'd never seen welding like we do. And they came. One of them ended up buying a sink. And then they sent two more. One of those ended up buying a sink. They all had two comments. As soon as they walked in the shop, they turned to each other and said, "Oh my gosh, you could eat off the floor in here. This looks like NASA clean." And then they said that they had never seen welding like we do. Blue Origin came to visit as well. A very nice gentleman, and he said he's never seen welding outside of the aerospace industry other than what we do. And he had a similar comment about the cleanliness of our shop, and he's buying a sink from us as well. So look at the sinks in person, because I've got some images of the vast majority, I won't name names, of imported sinks that give the appearance that they're not imported, but they are. You have to ask. And even an American-made company with horrendous welding, but you can't get close-up views of their corners on their website. They intentionally hide them or blur them out a little bit. But what you see on our website is what you will get on your sink. Micro welding and micro polishing. Our corners are glassy smooth, easy to clean. Just look at the hundreds of 5-star reviews that we have. As a matter of fact, I don't think there's another sink manufacturer out there that has 100% 5-star reviews like we do. Anyway, come visit us. You'll be talking to me. I'm easygoing. No sales talk will ever come out of my mouth. People on a Zoom call say, "Well, what do we got to do to order a sink?" I said, "You have to ask. I'm never going to ask you." And we end up making sales that way. So I'm easygoing. I'm not scary. Come visit us. Hop on the website. Click the button at the top where it says schedule a consult or whatever it says up there. And we'll have a nice conversation. We'll talk about whether you're right or left-handed, how your family moves through the kitchen. We'll get into all that stuff. We'll design a sink together and price it, and I'll say goodbye. That's it. Have a nice day.